So I blew up my kayak, right? Because I'm gonna make a base that fits in here. So probably about 9 inches wide, about 16 inches high, with a stick coming off of it to put on an electric motor so that we don't have to paddle all the time. Let me show you the motor. So I bought this. Haven't taken it out the box yet. I'm downstairs building the base. Let me show you what I got done so far, which is hardly nothing, but I just started. These will go around the base to give loading, just in case it falls off the boat, you never know. And padding. Right here, I got 4 pieces of wood already cut. I'm gonna put together the box. Got my wood glue there, my nail gun over there. Put together the first initial box, measure it, make sure everything fits in properly, and then we'll go from there. Keep you guys posted on how it comes out. This is the motor. Still need a base for right here, so I'm gonna work on that right now, but pretty much I got the whole thing almost done. So essentially, that is how the base goes in the inflatable boat, all cushioned up. And right here is where the motor's gonna go. Oh, right here. And let's hope my design works. I pulled this out of my head, so let's hope it works. So we got the whole setup, got the battery out here, put it on the boat. We got the motor, getting ready to launch it. Just got done filling it up. Let's see how it works. Hopefully it'll work. Final setup. Look at us, about to take it out. We got our final setup going on. See how this works. Ooh, I'm so nervous.